So the question today is, what is the best side hustle for 2023? I'm going to give you one option that I think is the best for 2023, and that is Livegood. If you haven't heard of Livegood, that is a supplement company. Here it is here. And what they've done is revolutionize the way that people get their supplements and the cost. So it's sort of like a Sam's Club. You pay a monthly fee, $9.95, and then you get a great discount on all these products. So let's go take a look at one of their most popular is the Super Reds. So come in here and you see it's $18 as opposed to $69 and $40 for Super Beats and other products. So you get a great discount if you're a member. Like the CBD oil here is $18 for 750 milligrams, which is outrageous because 550 milligrams over here for this product, you have to pay $90. So it's a great deal. Even for the double strength, 1500 milligrams, you only pay $26 for the 1500 milligrams. But as you can see, the products are all organic and very, very reasonably priced. So that's why this company is very easy to promote and very easy to share with other people who are in the health and fitness niche or interested in health and fitness or building a business. Now let's go take a look at the business side of this. We'll come down here, we'll go back to the home page, come down to the pay plan. And this is the affiliate compensation. If you want to become an affiliate for this company, it's a one-time $40 fee. So it's $40 for the affiliate and then $9.95 for the monthly membership. And that'll be $50 altogether for your first month. And then your affiliate. And then $9.95 every month after that. Okay, let's take a look at the compensation plan. There are 6 ways to earn. We are mostly concerned with 3 of those 6. And we're gonna go over this in visual aspect also. I'm gonna show you a presentation in a little while on how to get to silver in 10 weeks or less. Silver is if you have 10 enrollees under you, and bronze is only if you have 2. So if you enroll 2 people in the program, offer them this great offer, then you are bronze. And I'm gonna show you that a little bit later. And one of the best things about this company is that it's easy to duplicate, especially if you get in a team that has a marketing system in place that you can duplicate really easily. What I like to do is, for my team members, is give them these free websites. The company gives you a website, which I'll show you right here. Well, I'll show you in a minute. But these are the websites that I like to give my team members so they can implement them right away into Leads Leap. All they have to do is plug in the share code. And if you don't have a Leads Leap account, all you have to do is sign up for free, and you can use all of these share codes for free, except for the email sequence, which you don't really need. But if you are a paid member in Leads Leap, then you can use the email sequence share code. You just pop them in, you have 10 emails that automatically go out to your email list. And that's just in case you're collecting emails like in this form right here. So let's go over here to take a look at the websites that they give you. And Livegood gives you, as soon as you sign up, they give you 3 websites: corporate site, retail site, and the one that you really want to promote is the Power Line site. So this is converting very well. A lot of people are just promoting this alone. I like to have more options in my marketing system, so that's why I give it to my team. And if you don't have Leads Leap and you want another option besides this, I've also created a website for System.io. If you're a paid member in System.io, you can use this. You can just plug in the share code. If you're not a paid member, you can't use the share code. You can recreate this. It has the same thing as my Leads Leap, but you can use that one for free. The videos, take the free tour, and this will take you over to the page, the website over here. So the Livegood website. So that is the reason you get in with a good team. Let's go back over to the compensation plan. It said you get paid on 50% of everyone that you enroll on the first level. It doesn't matter if you have 1 or 1,000, you get 50% on all their whole leg. And you'll see that more visually when we go over to the presentation. But if you make it to bronze, which is 2 enrollees, you get 50% on the first leg and then 10% on the second leg. And the silver, that's 10 people, 50, 10, 5 and 5. Now the second way you get paid is the matrix commission, and you get 2.5% on every position in here. So level 1, like I said, when you're unranked, you have nobody underneath you, it's just you or one person. Once you get 2 people, you're bronze, but you get 2.5% on each leg, each level. So this level 1 is 2 people, and then to fill up level 2, you need 4 people, so it doubles each level. And then level 3 is 8 people, and then your level. I'm going to show you how to get down to level 5 here very easily and very simply on our presentation once we get there. But once you get to 12 levels, you will be at like $2,000 a month or $4,000 a month if you have bronze. This also includes spillover, but I'm going to show you a way to do this without counting on spillover. You don't want to count on the spillover from other people. You want to build your business yourself. If you're going to build a business, you might as well do it yourself. And then if you get the spillover, that's a bonus. So, and then speaking of bonuses, here's the matching bonuses, which is, so you personally enroll the first generation, you get 50% of that whole leg. And then if you become silver, you get 10% on their first leg and then 10% on their second. So this is our goal here, is to get to silver level. Gold is nice, but 10 people is very reachable in a very short amount of time, and I'm going to show you that in a minute. So let's go over to the presentation, and I'm going to show you exactly in a visual representation how you can get to silver very quickly. I'm only going to go through 5 levels here. So here is level number 1. Here's you. Week number 1, if you only sponsor 1 person, which is very doable. A lot of people are sponsoring 2 per week. Some people are doing it a little bit faster, 10, 20, 30 per in a week or 2. But we're going to do an example of just sponsoring 1 person per week for 10 weeks. And that'll get us to silver, and we'll show you the exponential growth here in a minute. So week number 2. So you've made it to bronze because you have sponsored 2 people, and you've helped your first person sponsor their first person. So this is week number 2. For you, it's week number 1 for them. So they've sponsored their first person in number 1. This person hasn't sponsored any, just sponsored this week. So we go to week number 3. You've sponsored another person. So this is 1 person a week. And these are all your 50%. You get besides you get a bonus for these, a quick start bonus. You get a $25 quick start bonus for each one of these people. So it's $150 for you right off the bat there in the 3rd week. But more importantly, you're helping other people build their legs, build their business, and build their team. So the first person that you sponsored, this is their 2nd week. They've sponsored 1 per week. And then their first enrollee has sponsored a person. So they have 1 on their team. And this person is just enrolled, so he doesn't have anybody. Your leg number 2 has just sponsored their first person, and your leg number 3 hasn't sponsored anyone yet because you just sponsored them. So week number 4, you have your 4th enrollee here. Your first enrollee has got 3 people under them. They become bronze. Your second enrollee's got 2 people, and they become bronze also. Your first enrollee has an enrollee under them that has also sponsored 2 that have gone to bronze. Now they're at bronze, and you can see how the matrix is growing. Your whole team is growing very fast. And now we go to week number 5. So you've enrolled 5 people, 1 person per week. You have 3 bronzes right under you, and they have 3 bronzes under them already. And then some of them have bronze. So they've sponsored 1 person per week, which is a very, very conservative estimate on how many people you can sponsor. If you follow the system that's in place, you should be able to do this. And this is without any paid advertising at all. Just imagine if you start putting in some paid advertising, then this can grow exponentially. So I've only taken out 5 legs here because that's all I could fit on this screen. But if you go out 10 weeks, you can see how huge this is. In just 5 weeks, you have a total of 28 people on your team. You have 3 bronzes, and then you get 50% of all these legs here. So you get 50% of what all this leg earns, 50% of all what this leg earns, 50% of this, and then so on and so on and so on. And then once you get to the silver, you will get another 10% for this leg, 10% for this leg, this leg, this leg, this leg, this leg, the 2nd generation. So you can see how it can add up very quickly if you get in with the right team. If you're not on a team yet, you can use my link. And you can sign up for free if you want to lock in your position in the matrix. And then also I will send you out my welcome email with all of these links in it for all these websites. And if you haven't watched my other video yet, the other video shows how to quick start your promotions. I'll leave a link up above, and then you can watch that and see how you can share it with people and kickstart your business right away. So that's all I have for you today. I think it's a great opportunity. If you want to take the tour, just click the link below and take the tour, watch the 5-minute video and see if it's right for you. But I believe it is one of the best opportunities of 2023. I hope you like this video. Give it a share and a like, and I will see you in the next video.